Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you my little Sephora haul. Now, we didn't have the spring sale that was available in the US, but Sephora New Zealand and Sephora Australia recently, a week ago, had a sale for us here in Australasia, and if you spent $300 or more, you got 25% off if you were a gold member. So I took advantage of that. I haven't been buying much in the way of beauty. I stocked up on a few things and picked up a couple of things that I really did want. So if you would like to know what I did get in the Sephora Australasia sale, just keep watching. Thank you for joining me. Welcome if you are new. My name is Ange and I like to share all things beauty and lifestyle aimed at the more mature woman as I navigate my more mature years. So if that sounds like you, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that YouTube lets you know each time I do upload a video. I do upload videos on a weekly basis and I would love to see you back. Now, just want to say, finally, after months of trying to find a wig, I've been looking for a wig since December, I have finally found one I really like. So I will be doing a review on this very soon, but I finally found one I like. After 9 wigs and a lot of tears, I have found one I really do like. I do have some wig reviews coming. I did ask everybody if you were interested in seeing some wig reviews, so I'm going to go over all the wigs that I have and share those with you. Only 5 weeks to go with chemo. I am looking forward to it. Hopefully the next 5 weeks tick along and are uneventful, but I'm getting really exhausted and it's taking its toll. But I thought I would hop on here really quickly and just share with you what I got from the Sephora sale. So I'll just dig into the box as we go. Now, I have been using Youth to the People. I've actually discovered this brand and I'm really enjoying the few pieces that I've got. I haven't got many, I just sort of add bit by bit, but I stocked up and got another bottle of the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Cleanser. I love the glass bottle, really enjoying this. So this is a backup now. I use this every day at the moment and wanted to get a backup for when I've finished my chemo, because I'm not using exfoliants and actives at the moment. But I also picked up the Mandelic acid and Superfood Unity Exfoliant. It's a 3% AHA, 2% BHA and 1% PHA gentle solution from Youth to the People as well. So I do like my chemical exfoliants and am looking forward to trying this when I am able to. I thought it would be a good idea to get back into my skincare routine using more gentle, rather than going straight back into what I was using before, being a bit more gentle about it when I start adding things back into my routine. I picked up some complexion products. I obviously must have been I obviously just wanted to pamper myself. I am really pleased that some brands are bringing out mini sizes in foundations so that we can try them first. And I picked up a mini size of the new Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. I'm hoping that this is going to work. I got a light one. I got one in 1/4 because my skin has been quite light and just totally different in skin tone since doing chemotherapy, but even if it isn't a perfect match, it will be a great one for me to mix with others. So I'm looking forward to trying that and giving you some feedback. Concealers, probably didn't need a concealer. I've got a few on the go at the moment, so this is going to have to be a backup one. And I got the Dior Forever Skin Correct in 2N. Thought I would try that out for my mature skin. Have heard good things about this, so looking forward to trying that. And I did use this today, but I needed a new Anastasia brow brush. I got the 7B. I have got no hair in my eyebrows, but I'm very lucky to have the outline of my microbladed brows so that it's easy to fill in. I've got the guides there, and I'm very thankful for that because it's the only thing that helps me look a little bit put together when I don't make much of an effort. At least I still have brows. I bought another Huda Bomb Brows. I really like this. So this is a backup. I've still got one on the go, but I'm scared that it's going to finish up very, very soon. I got mine in the colour number 5 medium brown. I hope it's the same colour as I've got. Yep, it is. So same colour as I've got, but it is a backup because I really do enjoy that brow product. I did have the Gucci pencil in my cart, but it was, I only wanted to get to the portion where I could get my 25% off, so I took a couple of things out. I got another mini foundation, this time the Idole Ultra Wear in 02. Now this is a foundation I used to wear when I was a lot younger, in my early 20s. So it may be a little bit heavy duty maybe now that my skin's a bit drier, but we'll give it a go. But I do like the fact that you can try these smaller sized foundations rather than buying a full bottle for $100 and deciding you don't like it. I do have to say a lot of my foundations, if they don't work for me, I pass them on to my daughter, so she enjoys that because she is a poor uni student and she appreciates anything that I pass on to her. I picked up my first Rare Beauty product. I do still want to try the liquid blushes, but that will be for another sale. And I picked up the Always an Optimist Weightless Eye Primer. I have heard really good things about this, and I always wear an eye primer or some sort of primer or concealer before doing my eyeshadows, so I'm really looking forward to trying that. I will keep it tucked away as a backup for now, and I will use some of my other bits that I have at the moment. Now, a product that I have had on my wish list for a little while is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. Now, Natasha Denona came out with her pastels palette, and there's been a couple of other pastels palettes. They're not really me, and I thought the closest I would do to play with pastels would be this palette here. I have had my eye on it for a little while, and I think it is very much like the rose quartz that I've got. It's got a lot of the rosy, lavendery colours in here, but you've got your pops of blue. And I just love the quality of the Huda Beauty eyeshadows. I love the mattes. I think the shimmers are amazing, and 25% off. I was really happy to try this palette out. So there will be a review coming of that with some eye looks very, very soon. And then I did get a couple of samples. I got a Wish Yo Glow enzyme scrub. I don't mind that. I don't know if it's going to be for the face or the body, but it's not something I can use at the moment, so I will pop that in my travel bag for if I go away. And I got a Guerlain 5R Repair Serum, and I really enjoy anything eye serum-y, so I will try that out. So they're the little bits and pieces that I picked up from the Sephora sale. I would have liked to have got a lot more, but finances aren't conducive to that at the moment, especially when I've been buying lots of wigs. So I definitely needed cleanser. Skincare is always a goodie, and made the most of a couple of items that I did want to try. Making the most 25% off. Don't often get that sort of discount, so I was really appreciative of that. Okay guys, they are my goodies from Sephora. Hopefully a short and sweet video. I hope you are all having a beautiful and a wonderful day. If there's something in particular you really want to know about, please let me know. I will get onto the Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. I've got a lot of eyeshadow palettes to do tutorials for you guys, so they will be coming soon. Take care everyone, and be kind to yourselves. See you later. Bye.